Hi everyone, if you are someone who is concerned about slip and fall accident, especially in the areas like bathroom, kitchen, and pool decks, then this video is for you. And if this is your first time watching my video, make sure to click on the subscribe button so that you can get updated on my future videos. I do a lot of self-help projects and product reviews. My bathroom tile is very slippery, so I have to look for an easy to apply sealants to fix that problem. And this 511 anti-slip formula from Miracle Sealant is what I found to be the most effective and easy to apply. You can use a sprayer or a roller or simply pour it into the floor and spread it using a rag or a regular mop. Each application will last from a couple of months to a year depending on floor surface, floor usage, and on how often you steam your floor. For this bathroom, I reapply this product at least every 3 months just to make sure that I do not lose the grip, but it could probably last longer than that. I just steamed this floor, so let me show you how I use it. First, I will simply pour some liquid on the floor and spread it with my mop. This will take me about 3 minutes to spread the sealant to the whole bathroom. And then I wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to give it a chance to stick or penetrate to the surface and mop the rest dry. So now that I spread it throughout my bathroom, let us give it some time. So this is about 10 minutes now. What I'll do now is I'll mop this floor dry so that I do not end up with a hazy color floor. If you forget about it and you end up with a hazy floor, all you need to do is just apply some more liquid and mop it and then dry it up right away. You can see right now the floor did not lose its shine. You can now start using your bathroom again and you don't have to worry about any slip and fall accident anymore. If this video is helpful to you, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.